My dream to become a teacher, future tense spoken English practice. I will always remember the day when I will decide that I will become a teacher. I will be so young and full of dreams. I will think about how I will help children learn new things. I will imagine myself standing in front of a class. One will believe that one day I will make a difference in the lives of my students. I will study hard every day. I will tell myself that I will never give up no matter how difficult it will be. I will read books. I will watch videos. I will practice speaking English because I will know that a good teacher will always be a good learner first. In the future, I will teach children in a big school. I will wear professional clothes. I will speak confidently. I will explain things clearly so that every student will understand. I will use fun ways to teach, like stories, games, and pictures. I will make sure that no child will feel left behind. My students will love learning with me because I will make every class interesting. I will tell them that they will be able to achieve anything if they will believe in themselves. I will teach them new words every day. I will help them practice pronunciation and sentences until they will feel strong and happy about their English. I will also help poor children who will not afford to study. I will create free online classes. I will visit small villages. I will give them hope. I will tell them that their future will not depend on where they will come from, but on how hard they will try and how much they will learn. My parents will be proud of me. I will buy a small house for them. I will take care of them. I will always remember how they will support me when I will struggle. I will teach my students to always respect their parents because I will know how important family will be in every success. One day I will write a book. I will share my story. I will inspire others to become teachers. I will travel to different places. I will give speeches in schools and colleges. I will remind everyone that education will change lives and that teachers will be the ones who will light the path. I will continue learning. I will never stop growing. I will attend workshops. I will meet other teachers. I will learn new methods and technologies. I will bring those ideas back to my classroom. I will always work to be better because I will believe that every child will deserve the best teacher. And in the end, I will be happy. I will be thankful. I will smile when I will see my students succeed. I will know that my dream will come true. I will know that I will make a difference, and I will never regret the day when I will choose to become a teacher. I will always tell myself that I will never stop believing in my dreams. I will face many challenges in my journey, but I will stay strong. I will remember that every mistake will teach me something new. I will not be afraid of failure because I will know that failure will help me grow. I will meet new people who will inspire me. I will listen to their stories. I will learn from their experiences. I will attend conferences where great teachers will share their knowledge. I will write down every idea because I will know that one day those ideas will help my students learn better. I will use technology in my teaching. I will create fun videos and online quizzes. I will teach students how they will use English in real life. I will make learning exciting so that they will love coming to school. I will always try to bring smiles to their faces because I will know that happy students will learn more. In the future, I will open a small learning center for children who will need extra help. I will give them my time. I will help them practice speaking, reading, and writing English. I will tell them that they will achieve anything if they will keep trying every day. I will guide them to set goals for their future, and I will show them the steps they will need to take. My dream will not stop with just one classroom. I will build a community of learners. I will connect with teachers from around the world. I will share my ideas and I will listen to theirs. I will believe that education will unite people and will create a better world for everyone. One day I will wake up early in the morning. I will look outside my window and I will feel thankful for everything I will have in my life. I will take a deep breath and I will tell myself that today will be a new chance to make a difference. I will prepare my lessons with love and care because I will know that my students will be waiting for me and I will want to give them my best every single day. I will enter my classroom with a big smile. I will greet my students warmly. I will believe that every child in front of me will have the potential to shine. I will teach them new words and sentences. I will make them repeat after me. I will create fun activities where they will speak without fear. I will tell them again and again that they will improve if they will practice every day. I will know that some students will feel shy, some will feel weak, but I will never give up on them. I will sit with them, I will listen to them, I will understand their struggles, I will guide them step by step. I will use easy language. I will use real-life examples. I will help them build confidence until they will speak English without hesitation. I will organize small competitions. I will encourage every student to participate. I will give rewards to those who will try hard. I will explain that winning will not always matter, but trying will always matter. I will tell them that one day they will stand on big stages, they will give speeches, they will talk to people from different countries, they will succeed because they will have the power of education and the courage to never give up. In my free time, I will work on my own learning. I will take online courses. I will read books on new teaching methods. I will practice my own English skills because I will know that a teacher who will stop learning will stop growing. I will push myself to learn new things so that my students will always get the best version of me. I will dream bigger. I will plan to open my own school one day, a school where children from every background will come and they will feel welcome. I will design classrooms full of color and life. I will hire teachers who will love teaching the way I will love it. I will create a place where education will not just be books, but it will be about creativity, kindness, and dreams. I will also start a YouTube channel where I will teach English to children, teenagers, and adults who will not afford expensive classes. I will make videos that will help them speak English step by step. I will tell them that their future will change if they will take small steps every day. I will read their comments. I will reply with kindness. I will build a family of learners who will believe that they will reach their goals. I will remember my own journey, how I will struggle, how I will fail, how I will rise again. I will tell my students that I will be just like them once. I will remind them that one day they will also stand in front of others and tell their own success stories. They will inspire others the way I will inspire them. I will promise myself that I will never stop dreaming. I will never stop teaching. I will never stop helping. I will know that my purpose will be to make the world better, one student at a time. I will work hard. I will stay kind. I will believe that my small actions will create big changes, and I will know deep in my heart that I will be on the right path always. In the future, I will always believe that every small effort will matter. I will wake up every morning with new energy. I will plan my day. I will write down the goals I will want to achieve. I will tell myself that each day will bring new opportunities and I will be ready to grab them. I will continue teaching my students with passion. I will create new lessons every week. I will bring real-life examples into the classroom. I will make my students speak in pairs. I will guide them to practice their English with their friends and family. I will tell them that practice will make them stronger and they will speak English fluently one day. I will also talk about values. I will teach my students to be honest, kind, and hardworking. I will explain that learning will not only be about books but also about becoming good human beings. I will share stories of great people who will change the world with knowledge and kindness. I will inspire my students to dream big and to believe that they will also shine. In the evenings, I will spend time reflecting on my teaching. I will think about what I will improve. I will watch online seminars. I will join teacher groups. I will keep learning because I will want to. One day I will look back at my life and I will feel proud of the journey. I will remember the days when I will struggle. I will remember the nights when I will stay awake planning my lessons, practicing my English, and dreaming about my future. I will know that every single step I will take will bring me closer to the person I will become. I will see my students growing. I will see them becoming confident. I will hear them speaking English with smiles on their faces. I will create special events for my students where they will perform on stage. They will tell stories. They will act in small plays. They will sing songs in English. I will tell them that every time they will try something new, they will grow. I will remind them that their voice will matter, their dreams will matter, and their efforts will matter. I will also support parents. I will hold meetings where I will explain how important it will be for parents to encourage their children. I will guide families on how they will create a positive learning environment at home. I will tell them that small words of kindness will build the confidence of their children, and those children will become the future leaders of the world. One day I will receive messages from my old students. They will tell me that they will achieve their dreams. They will send me pictures from their colleges and workplaces. They will thank me for believing in them when no one else will. I will smile with tears in my eyes, and I will tell myself that all the hard work, all the struggles, all the sleepless nights will be worth it. I will also continue to work for education in villages and small towns. I will travel to places where children will not have access to schools. I will set up free classes. I will bring volunteers. I will raise funds. I will use technology to teach children in every corner of the world. I will believe that every child deserves to learn, and every child will have the right to dream. I will also take time for myself. I will visit peaceful places. I will sit near the sea. I will watch the sunset. I will think about the meaning of life. I will remind myself that true happiness will come from giving, from helping, from loving. I will keep my heart soft. I will stay humble because I will know that life will be a gift, and I will want to use every moment to spread light. At the end of my journey, I will be surrounded by people who will love and respect me. I will hear the laughter of children. I will see the success of my students. I will know that I will leave behind not just memories but a legacy of learning, kindness, and hope. I will close my eyes with peace, knowing that I will fulfill my dream of becoming not just a teacher but a light in the lives of many souls. And when people will remember me, they will say that I will be the one who will believe in dreams, who will work hard, who will inspire others, who will never give up, and who will make the world a better place through education, love, and endless hope.